Students, good morning. Welcome to today's English class. In today's English class, we'll be learning the pronoun she. Before that, let I revise the pronoun he. In last class, we learned the pronoun he, how to use when, how to use he, and where to use he. Today, let I give you a revise. First, the pronoun he is used for boys and men. When we have to use the pronoun he, we have to use the pronoun he when we have a boy and man in a sentence. Okay. First, Ravi is a cricketer. Ravi plays well. Here we have two sentences. This is first sentence. This is second sentence. Right? Ravi is a cricketer. In this is noun. Right? Ravi is a noun. What is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Here this is the name of a person. So this is noun. Ravi is a cricketer. Ravi plays well. In the first sentence we are not changing the noun into pronoun because this sentence talks about Ravi. So in the first sentence we should not change it. In the first sentence we should not change the noun into pronoun. Okay, keep it in mind. Whenever you write a sentence, first you should not use pronoun. You have to use the name. You have to use the subject name. Okay, Ravi is a cricketer. Ravi is a cricketer. Ravi plays well. In the second sentence only we have to change noun into pronoun. We are changing the noun Ravi into the pronoun he. Why we are using he here? We are using he because he is used for boys and men. Ravi is a boy, so we are using the pronoun he. Got it? Ravi is a cricketer. He plays well. Ravi is a cricketer. He plays well. Pronouns refer. We use pronoun instead of a noun. Keep 2 points in your mind. We use pronoun instead of a noun. Instead of the noun Ravi, we are using the pronoun he. In the first sentence, we are using Ravi is a cricketer. In the second sentence, instead of the noun Ravi, we are using the pronoun he. He denotes the noun Ravi. He is denoting Ravi, right? Ravi plays well. He plays well. Pronoun refers to a noun that is already mentioned. We have already mentioned the noun Ravi, so we are using the pronoun he. So pronoun refers to a noun that I have already mentioned. See the second sentence. My father wakes up early. My father works hard. My father wakes up early. This is the first sentence. In the first sentence I said we should not use pronoun. So we are using the subject my father. My father is a noun. In the second sentence we are replacing the noun father with the pronoun he. Why we are using he in this sentence? Because he is used for boys and men. Father is a man. So we are using the pronoun he. He works hard. Got it? See the third sentence, that is Raju. Raju is my brother. That is Raju. This is the first sentence. We speak about the Raju. We speak about Raju. So that is Raju. So we are in the first sentence. We should not use the pronoun. We should use the subject name. That is Raju. He is my brother. In the second sentence, we are replacing the noun Raju with the pronoun he. Got it? Why we are using he? Because Raju is a boy. So for boys we have to use the pronoun he. He. Got it? He. He is my brother. Now let us learn the pronoun she. She is used for girls and women. Kenya is my friend. Kenya dances well. Kenya is my friend. She dances well. I said in the first sentence you have to use the subject name. In the second sentence only you have to replace the subject with the pronoun. We are replacing the noun Kenya with the pronoun she. Got it? She dances well. We are using the pronoun that is already mentioned. Kenya is my friend. Kenya, she dances well. We are replacing the noun Kenya with the pronoun she. That is Nila. Nila is my sister. That is Nila. She is my sister. We are replacing the noun Nila with the pronoun she. Got it? She is my. We are replacing the noun Nila with the pronoun she. Nila is replaced by the pronoun she. My mother is a teacher. Mother teaches well. My mother is a teacher. She teaches well. We are replacing the noun mother with the pronoun she. Got it? So whenever we write two sentences, in the first sentence we should not use pronoun. We should use the subject name. Only in the second sentence we have to replace the noun with the pronoun. Kenya is replaced with the pronoun she. Nila is replaced with the pronoun she. Mother is replaced with the pronoun she. She is used for girls and women. Kenya is a girl, so we are using the pronoun she. Nila is a girl, so we are using the pronoun she. My mother is a woman, so we are using the pronoun she. So we use pronoun instead of a noun. Instead of the noun Kenya, we have used the pronoun she. Pronouns refer to a noun that is already mentioned. We are using the pronoun that we have already. We are using the pronoun she here for Kenya. Kenya is already mentioned in the sentence. Kenya is already in the sentence. So we are using the pronoun she. She denotes Kenya. Got it? So students, for today's homework, I will give you some sentence. You have to replace it with the correct pronoun. Okay? Thank you, students.